to ok ng'eny mar thieth ma bende koro itimo ne jo Kenya e pacho ka. Wacho ni nyalo bedo ni kuonde mag thieth nitie mathoth, to kata kamano kit thieth nyalo bedo rang'iny mapiny. Gino ma gidwani mondo koro rang'iny mar thieth moidh ahinya, emomiyo giseloso kuonde mag thieth mopogore opogore e counties duto te e pacho kae. Kagwe kuom mano bende nopuoyo sir ma ichiwo to kod Ker Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta koriwo nyaka tiyo gi lony manyasani e chiwo thieth ne ji duto te e bwo chenro nogono mar UHC.
But today, sir, we are here to look at another subject, which is part of the three things within the UHC agenda. The first being affordable health care, the second being access to health, which we have been talking about, and through your political will, we have managed to create almost 25 hospitals in Nairobi, 19 new, 5 engineered and completed, and another 50 that we are building across the country to create the issue, to address the matter of access to health. But critically is the standards of health, not just the quantity of health, but also the quality, of health. And today, sir, this is the subject that brings us here together to ensure that we can upgrade the quality of healthcare. Your Excellency, when we talk about the curriculum, improving our curriculum, we are reminded of an African saying that says, when the sound of the drum beat changes, then the dancer must also adapt the step. Things have changed around us, Your Excellency. The world has moved on. In technology terms, the world has gone very far. This time round, technology is one of the key aspects in terms of digital health and all the other aspects that we are going to address. We are going to ask ourselves many questions, sir. We are going to ask ourselves, is what we are learning today what we should be learning? Is what we are learning today what is being taught elsewhere in the world? Is what we are learning today sufficient for the future